Hi, I'm Matt Adler. I'm the pre-owned manager here at Competition Subaru, and I'd like to introduce you to the Kelley Blue Book Instant Cash Offer, which is a new program we've introduced. We've partnered with Kelley Blue Book to provide you, the customers, with the most up-to-date and accurate pricing for you to trade in or sell us your car. Just to give you a couple examples of cars that we do purchase, not only do we buy Subarus, obviously, our preference, but we'll take in any car that you might have, all the way down the line from high-end to sport luxury vehicles, to commuter cars, to even cars that maybe you don't need anymore. I'd like to give you an instruction on exactly how we could do this together. To simply obtain your offer to trade in your vehicle or sell us your car, visit our Competition of Smithtown website. Simply click on the Pre-Owned Vehicle tab. On that tab, scroll down to Kelley Blue Book's Instant Cash Offer. Tell us a little bit about your car. You can tell us by using your VIN number, license plate number, or enter it manually, make and model. Simply tell us a little bit about your car by giving us your VIN number, your license plate number, or manually put in the make and model. A list of questions will come up. Please try to be as accurate as you possibly can so that we may be able to provide you with the most accurate number. Simply fill out a couple of the forms and hit submit. Your car and your offer will be sent to me directly for me to review along with a Kelley Blue Book representative, and we will be able to provide you with the highest top dollar amount possible offer. Just wanted to thank you for your time and tuning in today. If you should have any questions on how the Kelley Blue Book ICO process works, or simply if there's anything we could do to help you trade in your car or sell us your car, please reach out. My name is Matt. I'm the pre-owned manager here. It would be my absolute pleasure to help you along with everyone else here at Competition Subaru. Thank you.